In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change text color on Wix Studio. It's a fairly easy process, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. Let's get started. First, you'll want to select the text that you wish to change. Simply click on the text box or the specific piece of text you've added to your website design. Now that you have the right text selected, your next task is to open the inspector bar. It is usually located on the right side of your screen. If for some reason it's not visible, don't worry. Look for a small arrow icon placed at the top right side of your interface. Clicking on this arrow will expand the inspector bar so you can see all the necessary tools for editing your text. Having opened the inspector bar, direct your attention to the top where you will find a small icon shaped like a paintbrush. This is the Design tab. Go ahead and give that a click. If you were not previously in that section, you'll now find yourself amidst a variety of design options specific to your text element. On this Design tab, you'll see an option labeled Color, which is precisely what we're focusing on today. By clicking this, you open up a palette of colors that you can apply to your text. You're not limited to what you initially see, so feel free to explore and find a color that best fits your design vision. If you find yourself wanting something more customized beyond the predefined options, Wix Studio offers an easy solution. Right next to the color palette, there is a plus sign accompanied by the word Add. Clicking this opens up a more detailed customization panel. Here, you are free to create a color by mixing and matching different shades until you find the perfect one for your project. You have the flexibility to use hex codes, RGB values, or HSB settings, whichever you're most comfortable with, allowing you to pinpoint the exact hue that meets your needs perfectly. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you have the power to transform the appearance of your text to better align with your website's aesthetics and branding. Feel free to experiment with the colors and custom options until you find exactly what you're looking for. Practice makes perfect, and before you know it, you'll be navigating these features like a pro. Thank you for joining me today and learning how to change text color in Wix Studio. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out in the comments below. Have fun designing, and we'll see you in the next video.